So, as I told you, this class has been very practical, as I promised you from the beginning. So, this is our project. Okay, so I built this overnight so that all of us will be able to build this again from scratch. The prerequisite for this project is to go through our first two videos. We talked about the basis of Microsoft Excel. We talked about formulas and functions in Excel. And if you haven't watched those videos, I just want you to go back, pause this one, go and watch those two videos so that whatever 10 we are going to do will make sense to you. This is a picture. I have showed you how to insert picture. So you're going to build something like this. So you can see that all the other pages, they have the same template. So what I did is I built all of them, then I duplicated everything together. We also have all the other pages, and we have these graphs that are also working here. So the gender, I want you to pay attention. The males are 4. So when I go anywhere, and let's say, let me just go to any of the gender columns and just put a male there. Let me drag it to, let's say, now, and let's go and see. Now the male is now 16. So everything is working, and we are going to build this thing from scratch. So I just want you to follow me carefully as we finish this project together. Let's quickly zoom into our project. So we are going to build this last. The page, that is the dashboard, is going to be the last thing that we are going to design. So you are going to this hall, the main hall, that is, you choose any of them. So I prefer to choose Legon Hall. So for this particular hall, Legon Hall, as you can see, I have this site that has no background. So we are going to select from here, okay, to, let's say, 11. Let's drag this to 11. So select to, so let's do it to Z, right? And then let's do it only 11. Now change the background color to something like this. That's all. So this is the first thing that we are going to do, and that's basically what we have done. Then we have a logo over there. So here, let me copy this logo and just paste the logo here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just pasting this logo here. So you can insert it. I've taught you how to insert a logo. Then here, what is next? Legon Hall membership information. You can see I've merged from E to kill. Okay, I've merged from E to kill. So just merge something. You can take this to this side and just merge anything here. So we are not doing exactly as that, but I just want you to know how the whole thing is done. So now that we are done, I just want you to write, so Legon Hall membership. Now when you are done with this, you have to make it bold. You have to increase the font size. Let me check the font I used here. I used this particular font. So the font is Amasis MT. So go here, then you search Amasis MT Pro, then this form is also there for you. So that's basically what you are going to do. Just increase the font size to get, so let's say we have increased the font size and we have this particular font. So this is just the first thing we have done, and you are going to continue it as we have been doing it. Moving on, we are going to do the gender. So here we have the male, we have females, and we have the total members. So let's just merge any two cells here. Double merge center, then choose male. Okay, if you want to apply this particular style to this, just go and choose format painter as I taught you. Click on this, then it's going to take the male for you. Merge this to one and name it female. Okay, so you merge and center, you click on start and you type female. You just choose any of them, use format printer, then it's going to what, give you female. So you can see that the font is very, so make this like 26 so that it will fit perfectly. Now let's do another one called our total members. So let's just write this as our total, right? So this is just going to be the total. So we just have to merge center, then write total here. Just choose any of them, use fill handle, format printer, then you are done. Okay, so now this is the first one, as you can see. The second one, we have this boxes here, 3 of them below them. So let's quickly do that. Let's merge this, choose merge center, go change the background to white. We are done. So it is not really visible, but I think you can still see it. Okay, so you can change it to any color that you want. So here I would go for white. Okay, good, I'll go for white. I just want it to be very visible, so let me try and change this background color from being this to something that at least it will not confuse us a lot. Yes, so now when I make this white, think, yeah, good. So do the same thing for this one. So try, you change this, then you merge center, you do same here, merge center, change the background. No, so now we are basically through. So let me apply some, let's say, let me apply this to here. I spoiled the thing. I just wanted to apply the color, but I think as you move on, I'll show you. So let's go here. Now what is left? What is left is this return button, right? Let's insert the return button. You go to insert, you go to shapes. When you go to, sorry. So when you go to insert and you go to shape, choose any of the shapes that you want. As you choose the shape, go and draw the shape here. Shape here. Change the color to, I always like this. Let me name it as dashboard. So let me say return. Let me see what I wrote here. Return to dashboard. So I just use return to dashboard. Good. So when I choose return to dashboard right now, I can make it bold. I can position this to center. Then I can increase the font size here. Let me make it on a line. So now this is what we did. Okay, return to dashboard. So the rest, we are going to draw this, merge this, write the names, and as we have done here for you to see in this video. So let's make progress. All right, so let's quickly do the search button here. So I'm just going to just select something here. Okay, let me select this and give it a thick border. So I'll just have to give it thick border. Good. Now let me merge these two cells and merge center and search something. So let's say search ID. As you can see there, let's make it search ID. Now when you are done search ID, the next one is enter ID below to search. So after here, let's merge these two. Then let's write enter ID to search. ID to search. Okay, now let's merge this one as well. Okay, so here I am going to change the background to this blue here. As I have this blue here, I'm going to give it some thick border. This one too, I am going to make the background, I think I'm not going to touch that one, but the next one I'm going to make this background white. Okay, Good. Then I'm going to apply this to this wherever whatever I'm going to type over there here. So let me start typing something. I think you have to select this, then you go to this, then select it again. If you select it again, send it to center, right? I think this is a general. You are choosing only numbers. Okay, good. We don't want any decimal because you are not working with decimal. Okay, select it again. We don't like any decimal, so we have to clear all the decimals. We need only numbers, right? Good. We'll make progress soon. Don't worry. Good. So now we are basically done with that part. It's up to you to just change the test and everything. That one I will leave that work for you to do. I believe you can do it. Good. So now moving on, we are going to do this name, contact, parent name, and this local church info that we have here. Okay. So let's quickly merge this. I am pushing this a bit upward. Then it means let me try and merge this. Okay, so we have another one. Good. So let me just write the name here. I'm just going to do something so that when I finish, I'll copy, paste it so that you will do it yourself. So let's say name. What were you taking? We were taking the name, contact, parent name, right? So name. Then let's say this two. Okay, let me intentionally copy this. When you copy, put it anywhere, then you paste. It will do for you. Put it anywhere, then you paste. Sorry, I think it's supposed to be here. You paste. It's going to do for you. Put it anywhere, then you paste. So assuming you are taking the name, you are taking the contacts, you are taking what again? You are taking parent name and parent contact. You are taking parent name, and you are taking their parent contact, right? So as we are taking the parent contact to in addition, parent contact. So now I think it's okay. I've told you you will be doing this editing yourself, right? Then what is here? They are formulas. So that one we are not going to touch it. Okay, good. So here, before we end this design, let's quickly do something here. So you are going to take the ID number. So you say ID. So after ID, what are we going to take again? We are going to take name. After name, what are we taking again? We are taking gender. So after writing the gender, you are going to talk about, let's say, program or the course that particular person is actually reading. Okay. So we are going to also take their levels. So we are going to take their levels. We are going to take their block. We are going to take their room. We are going to contact, date of birth. We are going to take their contact. We are going to take their date of birth. We are going to take their parents and their contact. So here, let me expand this. We are going to take their parents. We're going to take their parent contact. Okay, I don't need to expand this. Let me go here. I'll fix it very soon. Don't worry. So here, then we are going to take one last thing. I think this is okay for us. The rest we don't need them. Now let me select all this, and if you want them to fit, you can choose this wrap test. So you can see it will wrap the test for you. So you can actually decide whether you want to wrap them or, but I'm just showing you here. You can even rotate them vertical. You can decide to rotate them in any way you want, but I think this is enough for us. Let's quickly change this color. So here, let's make all the text bold. Control B to bold it. Let's change the background color to something of this sort. Let us give all of them some border, right? I think this guy is missing. Good. It looks so dark. Let's choose something lighter. Okay. I think this is okay. No, you're not getting it like this, but I think we can find it. Let's quickly look for it. Let's quickly look for it. So I think the guy, yes, this is the guy. Yes. So let's increase this to actually have this. Okay, so this is basically what we have done. And this 10, we don't need them. So we need this because all the formulas and everything, we are going to get it from this. So what I want you to do now is to just take this particular sheet, duplicate it so many times till you get like 4. Okay, like 4. So let me show you here. If you want to duplicate this, so name this as, let's say, Legon. So we are only doing 5 holes. Okay, so here you can even do this. Control A to copy everything on this page. B, go to this. Oh, then go here, Control A, then you paste it without doing anything. Can you see what I'm doing? You see the trick? You can quickly go here. You have copied the whole thing already. Go to sheet 3, paste it. Go to sheet 4, you paste it. Go to sheet 5, you paste it. Go to sheet 6, you do same, you paste it. You can see it is very, very, very simple for you to do that. Okay, so this is what we are going to continue. I want you to change their names, rename all of them. So let's take only this one. Go to this dashboard, take only this 5 horse for me. So we are going to do Legon, we are going to do Equafo, we are going to do Saba, we are going to do Commonwealth, we are going to do Volta, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is okay. So let's delete this one. Let's quickly delete this. So this, yes, we are going to delete this, and I think that one is okay for us to work with. So now that we have all these sheets, what I want you to do is quickly, let's try and link this. Right click on this, we are linking it to dashboard. I have taught you this. Go to link, you place it in this document, you go to where are we sending it to? We don't have the dashboard yet. Let us go and create it.